Let's find out those Chartbuster ideas. Kunal and Nooresh joining right back in. Nooresh, what's the Chartbuster call of the day?
So instead of a call, it's a most important chart globally. That's the chart for dollar index. Now, this is generally an indication of a risk on or a risk off movement across the globe. So if you look at the last 10 years, 100 has been that pivot point. We topped out around 100, 105 in the COVID bottoms, and then we started a rally and went down to 90. Same way in 2017, topped at 100, 105, and the downtrend started, took it back to 88, 90. That was again a clean year. So going forward, whenever we break below this 100 mark, it could be interesting. We've hit the first time in the current move, and 100 was the bottom in 2023 as well as 24. So sustaining below 9900 could create a big risk on movement going forward. So this could happen maybe sometime in 2025, or could be before also. So this could be an important chart to track going forward.
Okay, let's talk individual stocks as well. Kunal, what's on your list?
So that's BHEL, and I think one of the stocks which over the last few weeks has gone through almost like a 30% correction from 350 odd mark. The stock, which was almost in the midst of June, July 2023-24, had come back towards a point when the stock coincided with the long-term moving average. Now, interestingly, over the last many years of the chart, whenever the stock has coincided or the correction has ended at this long-term moving average, we've seen the stock taking a pause or the correction taking a pause and the stock getting into a process of a rally, and this rally has managed to take the stock back again above its previous highs. Of course, it's a long-term process, but this time around also I think it looks very similar. The stock completed a phase of correction from 340-50 levels. The stock had come back towards 250 odd mark, formed an RSI divergence, and now bouncing off from those levels, which means we could probably be at a point where the stock may have formed a near-term bottom, and we could be looking at the stock getting back into the thick of uptrend.
Okay, that's the dollar index and BHEL from Kunal. But let's find out the individual stock calls as well that our chartists are tracking. Nooresh, flag off your bets.
So first is a buy on NMDC, seeing good recovery in the middle pack. The stock has given a short-term reversal, so expecting some follow-up going forward. Stop loss at 220, target price of 245. Second is a buy on CAT, which has come back to new 52-week highs. Could be a momentum trade with the strict stop loss at 3,000 and a target price of 3,500.
You have it. Those are Nooresh's picks. And Kunal, what are you tracking?
So we'll go with the buy on HEG, the stock giving a breakout yesterday. So expecting a follow-through up move. Targets of 2,700, stop loss to be kept at 2,320. And the second would be a buy on HDFC Bank, still bullish on the banking names, and would prefer HDFC Bank at current levels in terms of a swing breakout. Targets of 1,820, stop loss at 1,755.
Okay, along with HDFC Bank, of course, it's Nalco, Vedanta, Power Grid, which are holding up smartly.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.